What if I told you there's a business that could make you up to $1,000 a day? It doesn't require inventory, packaging, shipping, or even showing your face. You don't need a warehouse, a storefront, or a huge following. In fact, it's so boring that most people overlook it completely. But the few who figured it out, they're quietly cashing in every single day. And the craziest part, you could start it tomorrow. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what this business is, how it works, and how you can launch it with zero experience. Trust me, this might be the most profitable, boring business you've never considered. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I talk about simple online income strategies that actually work. I mean, without the hype and without the fluff. Now let's break down this $1,000 per day digital hustle and why it works so well. So what is this boring business? It's selling printable PDFs on Etsy. Yes, Etsy, the place most people think is just for handmade mugs and candles, is actually a digital goldmine for passive income. And these aren't complex files either. We're talking simple digital products. Things like budget planners, daily to-do lists, wedding checklists, workout trackers, baby shower games, small business templates, journals, meal planners. These are all things people search for every single day. The best part? You make a PDF once and then sell it over and over again 24/7 without ever lifting a finger again. No shipping, no handling, no inventory, just pure digital delivery. Let's talk numbers for a second. There are Etsy sellers right now making $300, $500, even over $1,000 a day, just from selling digital downloads. Here's why this works. PDFs are lightweight and easy to create. Once listed, they're passive. You can literally make money while you sleep. Buyers love the instant download. The startup cost is nearly zero. And unlike physical products, you never run out of stock. This is the kind of business that builds quietly but pays consistently. And once you have 10, 20, 50 products up, it snowballs. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that subscribe button. I break down real strategies like this every week that you can start with little to no money. Don't miss out. Here's what you actually need to start this business tomorrow: a free Canva account. This is where you will create your PDF products. Canva has tons of pre-made templates you can use and customize for things like planners, checklists, and trackers. A free Etsy account. If you don't already have one, go to Etsy and sign up. It takes just a few minutes. A PayPal or bank account for payments. You'll need this so Etsy can pay you when you start making sales. An idea that solves a problem. This is key. Don't just create any planner. Think about what people actually search for. Examples: a wedding guest list tracker, weekly meal planner for busy moms, monthly budget sheet for couples. These are searchable, specific, and solution-based. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a designer. You can take an existing free template in Canva and tweak it. Change colors, fonts, layouts, and you've got a unique product. Let's be real, and not every PDF sells. So how do you make sure yours stands out? First, solve a very specific problem. Generic daily planner might get lost, but daily self-care planner for burnout recovery, that's niche and targeted. Second, create a strong cover image. Even though it's a PDF, Etsy still shows your thumbnail. Make it clean, colorful, and clear. Third, use keywords in your title and tags. Think like your buyer. What would you search for? Use long-tail keywords like printable finance tracker for beginners, editable wedding checklist, PDF, weekly meal planner for families. Fourth, include mock-ups. Canva lets you place your PDF into styled images, like on a clipboard, laptop screen, or paper. This helps buyers see how it'll look before they buy. Okay, so how do people actually hit $1,000 per day? Let's say your PDF sells for $5. You need 200 sales in a day to hit $1,000. That sounds like a lot. But here's what most people miss. You won't just sell one product. Once you have a catalog of 20, 30, even 100 plus PDFs, each making small daily sales, the income stacks. And remember, one product could go viral on Etsy search or Pinterest and sell like crazy for weeks or even months. The secret? Consistency. Keep publishing, test different angles, monitor what sells, improve what doesn't, and over time, it grows. This might just be the most boring business you'll ever start. But boring is good when it pays while you sleep. So if you're ready to take action, start simple. Open Canva, create one PDF, list it, then do it again and again. You could be one product away from your first $100 or your first $1,000 day. If you got value from this, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want a full step-by-step breakdown of how to start this business from scratch, I've got that coming up. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.